Good day, gentlemen. Welcome back to Deck Aircraft channel. By today, I will report about my progress on project J3 Kitten. Yeah, on previously, I explained a table for welding. Unfortunately, the table I'm cancelled because I don't have more time to build table. But I have a good news. With the table, I can welding perfectly because my plywood putting into floor. Yeah, the floor is very flat, so I don't need table. Here is a report by me. I'm success welding half fuselage. Around 2 days, I am welding this tube. Yeah, I think the welding is good lah. The welding and joining pipe tube is perfect. Maybe just need to cleaning, so it will beauty. But I have a problem how to bending the cockpit, because I have a red line. Yeah, here is the red line. Here is for a cockpit, and then here is for engine mounting. But have like a space here, so I need to bending. I'm still thinking how to bending because I am already welding the joining the pipe, hopefully with fire, burning by fire torch. Yes, I can bending the tube a little bit center, yeah, because this fuselage have offset around 20 centimeter need to bending, so the fuselage have a decent aerodynamics. I will sewing from the end. Yeah, I'm already welding. I'm welding on a small room, yeah, because I don't have a backyard. Here's my welding. Perfect lah. Need a crossbar from here to here, so the fuselage will be stronger. And it is for the door, closed door. And then the future, I'm still thinking about the design, yeah, will be follow like a J3 cup or J3 Kitten, because if I follow J3 Kitten, just one tube, yeah, one tube, and I think the not bad lah when I follow the J3 Kitten. But I want this plan like a general, easily trail like a J3 cup lah. So the fuselage have like a square, and then the cockpit, I think I need a few weeks again to finishing this project, because my gas tank just little. Here's my welding. I use multiple ticks 200 ampere, and my gas tank only 1 meter. Yeah. When full is 2000 psi. I need a big gas tank. Yeah. Here is very fast to draining. Half fuselage have 1 gas tank, and maybe I need 3 or 4 gas tank. Yeah. Here is my J3 Kitten. Tomorrow I will try to bending about this cockpit section, and then welding the tile section about a rudder. Here is for engine mounting, need to cut. I have a space to avoid mismeasurement. And then when the engine mounting, need a crossbar again. The weight I think is very light, yeah, under 10 kilo, with a tubing 1 millimeter. Okay, gentlemen, thanks watching my progress. I will report again on the next video, but I'm very happy because my welding is perfect. Yeah, because I use TIG. Okay, gentlemen, see you the next time again.